Have you ever been surprised by a sudden hiccup and wondered what is going on inside your body? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly tightens. This quick movement makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that familiar hic sound. But what causes hiccups? They can happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or experience a sudden change in temperature. Even feeling excited, nervous, or swallowing air while eating can trigger them. So how can you stop them? Here are some safe and simple tips that might help. Hold your breath for about 10 to 20 seconds. Drink a glass of cold water slowly. Or breathe slowly into your hands or a paper bag for a few breaths. These tricks can help relax your diaphragm and stop the hiccup reflex. Most hiccups go away on their own after a few minutes. But if they last longer than 48 hours, it's a good idea to see a doctor. So the next time you hiccup, remember, it's just your body reacting. It's a little strange, but also kind of amazing.